Hello, today I'll be making spaghetti aglio olio. Okay, so I was asked to make some delicious but cheap recipe for a grad student budget. So I thought about olio because it's a simple pasta dish. One reason a lot of people have hard time making a good olio is the pasta water. So you want really starchy, well seasoned pasta water prepared. So one way I thought of solving this problem was making a separate pot of pasta water. So if you go to an Italian restaurant, they often have a separate pot with pasta water that they use for pasta. So that's why when you get olio from a restaurant, you get really thick creamy sauce with the olio. And another reason why a lot of people have hard time making good pasta dishes because they do not season the pasta water itself very adequately. So I'm going to show you how much salt I'll put in each pot so that the noodle will come out well seasoned. So here's a list of our ingredients for today. We'll first start by putting 2 pots of water on high heat, and we'll slice garlic cloves in thick slices. And we're going to slice some more garlic, but this time it's going to be thinner slices. So that's about 10 cloves of garlic. Now some salt in the small pot. And we'll break the pasta noodle in half. And add some olive oil into it. That pot will be for making pasta water. Now we're gonna tear up some peperonchiino. Or it could be chili de arbor. Or just red chili pepper flakes you get from pizza delivery. Now some olive oil in the wok, and we're going to stir fry the thicker slice of the garlic cloves. Some salt and pepper as well. Now reduce the heat to medium, and we're going to continue to stir fry it. Now the salt in the bigger pot, and the cooking time is 9 minutes, al dente for 7 minutes. Grab the pasta like that, and that's about 1 serving. And before we put it in the pot, we'll twist it like such. So when you put in the noodle, it will bloom out like that. Add some olive oil and push the noodles into the pot, and we'll continue to stir fry the garlic. Now make sure to stir the noodle so it's not gonna get stuck together. It's time to add the peperonchiino or whatever chili you have and the thinner slice of garlic, some more pepper, and now it's time to add the noodle into the wok. So we're going to be 1 minute short of the al dente time. So we're going to stir, add the pasta water from the small pot, and now continue to stir, add more water. And when you have a thick sauce fill up like that, you know it's gonna be done. Now we're going to add some Parmesan cheese. And some parsley. Mix it all together. Now time for plating. Now some more pepper, parsley, and parmesan cheese. Buon appetito!